right, testing. Can you hear?
Connected it to that.
Okay, I'll speak louder. Yeah, okay. All right, so
This is my seat.
everyone, please, if I may begin. All right. Welcome to the Berkeley Science Bowl 2025 Invitational. This is the losers finals. Here we are going to quickly begin. Before, which are some introductions. My name is Alan. I'm going to be your moderator today. And then,
my name's Arthur. I will be your scorekeeper.
All right. Okay, so for introductions, we're going to do a quick buzzer check. I'm going to go from my left to my right. And basically, when you talk, please get close to the microphone, but please do not touch it. And when you buzz in, I will recognize, and please state your name. Sir. B4.
Angelina.
B3.
Stephanie.
B captain.
Theodore.
B1.
Timothy.
A1.
Minghao.
A captain.
Connor Z.
A3.
Suzuko.
A4.
Connor C.
All right. With the buzzer check completed, we're now going to shortly begin the round. Do both teams have any questions?
Wait, so just to check, with visual bonuses of 30 seconds.
Visual bonuses will be 30 seconds, and there will be visual bonuses in this round.
But like, not every question.
Not every question will be visual bonus. Okay. Any other questions?
Okay.
Team A, are you ready?
Yeah.
Team B, are you ready?
Yeah. Wait, are we live? Are we live on the YouTube?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. And in that case, we will now begin the losers finals, starting off with your first toss-up 1 math multiple choice. Two complex numbers z and w add and multiply to negative real numbers. Which of the following must be true about z and w? W. They are complex conjugates. Interrupt B captain.
W.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question. Your toss-up is math and multiple choice. Two complex numbers z and w add and multiply to negative real numbers. Which of the following must be true about z and w? W. They are complex conjugates. X. They both have negative imaginary components. Y. They both have zero imaginary components. Or Z. They both have zero real component. A1.
Z.
That is incorrect. The correct answer was Y. They both have zero complex components. Your next toss-up is 2 biology and multiple choice. Which of the following secondary messengers is primarily responsible for triggering the innate immune response in the detection of dsDNA? W. cAMP. X. cGAMP. Y. IP3. Or Z. C3b. B4.
Y.
That is incorrect. A3.
Z.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is XCGAMP. Your next toss-up is 3 Earth and Space short answer. What is the term for a mineral which will always appear black under cross-polarized light? A3.
Isometric.
That is incorrect. B captain.
Birefringent.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is isotropic. We also accept opaque. Your next toss-up is 4 energy short answer. The Maimone lab at UC Berkeley have been investigating syntheses of various alkaloids. The synthesis of one such alkaloid begins with tyrosine. Following the protection of the tyrosine amine group, a reduction with diol at negative 78 degrees Celsius results in the formation of what? Interrupt A captain.
Aldehyde.
That is correct. Your bonus is visual.
Ooh.
Energy short answer. Researchers at UC Berkeley are modeling predator-prey relationships. Answer the following 2 questions about the image. 1. Assuming all loops in graph 1 have the same length, which predator-prey pair, A, B, or C, travels in graph 1 the fastest? 2. Identify all of the following 3 shapes that could represent a predator-prey population curve corresponding to any curve in graph 2. 1. Ellipse. 2. Bow tie. 3. Line.
I don't get it. That means.
Okay. I don't know which one tries to.
Wait, I don't understand. Bow tie? Maybe 2 is 1 and 3. I feel like this one is 3. I don't like the all the links are the same. Or what if it's C?
Because the first. Okay, try.
Let's go C and 1 and 3.
Number 1 is C. Number 2 is 1 and 3.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 1C, 2, all. Your next toss-up is 5 chemistry short answer. Which of the following statements best explains why benzoyl peroxide is more efficient at initiating radical reactions than tert-butyl peroxide? W. The tert-butyl group creates too much steric strain. X. Tert-butyl peroxide has a stronger double O bond, or O and O bond. Y. Benzoyl peroxide forms a more substitute. Interrupt B captain.
Z.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next is bonus 5 chemistry short answer. Nikki is studying 2 chemical reactions A and B, and he decides to graph the natural log of the quantity K sub A divided by K sub B against 1 divided by temperature, where K sub A and K sub B are the equilibrium constants of reactions A and B respectively. Identify all of the following 3 statements which are necessarily true if the graph has a positive slope and negative y-intercept. 1. A is more endothermic than B. 2. A has a more positive entropy change than B. 3. A is more exergonic than B.
Yeah, I'm looking down on this. Positive slope, which means it's less fun. So positive slope means it's less spontaneous at high temperatures. So negative delta S is less than 0, and let's go with delta H is greater than 0.
So what are them?
1 and 2. A is more endothermic.
5 seconds.
1 and 2.
Or 5 seconds.
It just goes.
1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is none. Your next toss-up is physics, multiple choice. Which of the following quantities is the decay of transients in a circuit proportional to? W, driving voltage. X, inverse of the driving voltage. Y, damping coefficient, multiply interrupt B captain.
Y.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is in physics short answer. What theorem states that any series of rigid displacements in 3D space can be considered equivalent to a translation and a rotation about a point?
I think Euler's theorem seems really well. Euler's theorem.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is Castle's theorem. Your next toss-up is math in short answer. What is the volume generated by revolving the region bounded by y equals 1 over x, comma, y equals 0, comma, x equals 1, comma, and x equals 10 about the x-axis? B captain.
9 pi over 10.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next bonus is visual. This is math in short answer. Shown in the image are the first 6 steps of creating the Cantor ternary set, which is created by iteratively removing the middle third of a line segment an infinite number of times. Answer the following 2 questions about the image. 1. If the initial line segment has length 1, what length is removed when the Cantor set is created? 2. Identify all of the following 3 properties of the Cantor set that are true. 1. It contains infinite points. 2. It is open. 3. It contains intervals with non-zero length.
No. So only one only. So 1 is 1, 2 is 1.
Wait, yeah. Okay. All right.
1 is 1, 2 is 1 only.
Yeah, sure. Let's wait a bit. Need to think.
Okay, what was 1, 2, and 3 again? Say them.
1 was infinite length, 2 is open, 3 is non-zero length segments, whatever.
Yes, not open. You can't possibly. Yeah. So 1 only. 1 is 1, 2 is 1.
Okay. 1 is 1, 2 is 1.
That is correct.
Yes.
Your next toss-up is in biology and multiple choice. Which of the following mesoderms is responsible for giving rise to the notochord in human embryonic cells? W, axial. X, paraxial. Y, intermediate. Or Z, lateral plate. B4.
Y.
That is incorrect. A3.
W.
That is correct. Your bonus is also visual. This is biology and short answer. Shown in the image below is a 12-lead EKG and a supplementary diagram of lead placements. Answer the following 2 questions based on the image. 1. Which 3 leads show significant ST elevation? 2. Based on the directions of the ST elevations, which coronary artery is most likely implicated in a stem eye?
Bro, I like hate this. Okay, sorry, I didn't say that. Okay, so see. Let's say V2, V4, V5, and then for number 2, say right coronary artery. So 1 is V2, V4, V5.
5 seconds.
2 is right.
1 is V2, V4, and V5, and 2 is right coronary artery.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer we were looking for is 1 is 1, AVL and V2, and 2 is left anterior descending. We also accept LAD. Your toss-up next is Earth and Space, short answer. Order the following 3 types of braking waves by increasing steepness of the slope required for them to form. 1. Spilling breaker. 2. Plunging breaker. 3. Surging breaker. B4.
3, 1, 2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A4.
1, 2, 3.
That is correct. Your bonus is Earth and Space and multiple choice. Which of the following is true about atmospheric Rossby waves?
Rossby.
W. Their phase velocity is directed eastwards. X. They are the primary mechanism for transferring heat from the poles to the tropics. Y. They are a form of mesoscale atmospheric wave. Or Z. They are formed due to the variation of the Coriolis force with latitude.
That's not true.
Is it not vorticity? Okay.
I thought it's caused by pressure stuff. Or like not pressure, like density stuff.
Okay.
I thought they're density.
Okay, so what do you think?
Are they mesoscale? I think
Is it
they're
mesoscale like too small?
I feel like they're
Mesoscale might be.
5 seconds.
Or just go,
Maybe a W.
Okay.
W?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was Z. They are formed due to the variation of the Coriolis force with latitude. Your next toss-up is 10 energy and multiple choice. UC Fire Network Director Lena Quinn Davidson established prescribed burn associations around California to help address the state's wildfire crisis. Prescribed burns release high quantities of particulate matter into the air, which affects clouds in which of the following ways? W. Higher droplet sizes, higher cloud albedo. X. Interrupt B4.
Lower droplet sizes, higher cloud albedo.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss-up 10 energy and multiple choice. UC Fire Network Director Lena Quinn Davidson established prescribed burn associations around California to help address the state's wildfire crisis. Prescribed burns release high quantities of particulate matter into the air, which affects clouds in which of the following ways? W. Higher droplet sizes, higher cloud albedo. X. Higher droplet sizes, lower cloud albedo. Y. Lower droplet sizes, higher albedo. Z. Lower droplet sizes, lower albedo. A3.
Why?
That is correct.
That's so big.
Your bonus is energy and also in short answer. Scientists at the NAIR lab are studying the role of hepatocyte and glucokinase dysregulation in type 2 diabetes. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about glucokinase. 1. Glucokinase regulatory protein inactivates glucokinase by inhibiting it and moving it to the nucleus in the presence of glucose 6-phosphate. 2. High levels of insulin activates glucokinase. 3. Glucokinase deficiency symptoms cause mild hyperglycemia and a less sensitive pancreas.
Wait, can someone repeat 3?
Something.
Mild hyperglycemia.
Inhibited or like not inhibited?
I think inhibited.
Go 1 and 2 maybe.
1 and 2. 1 and 2?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 2 and 3. Your next toss-up is in 11 chemistry and multiple choice. Sophia is titrating Oh, thank you. Toss-up 11 chemistry and multiple choice. Sophia is titrating a weak triprotic acid with a strong base. She knows that the pKa2 of the acid is 5.4 and observes that the pH changes most rapidly near a pH of 3.0 and a pH of 7.5. What is the average of the pKa1 and pKa3 of the triprotic acid? W, 4.8, X, 5.1, Y, 5.4, or Z, 5.7? B, Captain.
Z.
That is incorrect. A, Captain.
X?
That is correct. Your bonus is visual. 11 chemistry, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is a catalytic cycle for a Sonogashira coupling. Answer the following 2 questions regarding the depicted catalytic cycle. 1. What is the name of the mechanistic step that occurs between depicted species A and B? 2. If the palladium catalyst is bisligated like species A before entering the catalytic cycle, what is the total electron count of the complex?
Okay. 1 is oxidative addition or insertion. oxidative addition, and then 2 is 12. Wait, plating is. I'll go 14.
Okay, you have time.
5 seconds.
1 is oxidative addition, and 2 is 14.
That is correct.
And that is the end of the half.
What? Let's go. Bro, this is...
Team A, 34. Team B, 22. We will now begin a 2-minute break.
Dude, our collective PPG is cooked, guys.
Just keep up.
11, right?
I think it's best to be. That one was like.
Why did
Well, just give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, do that. Because that one I was like,
It might have just been like a
I
coloring.
saw a random article on it like a month ago, so I had like a slight idea, but I wasn't really confident in it either way, so.
I keep some of those are just blind guesses. Correct blind guesses.
Yeah, if you're blind guessing, make a sign.
Are you absolutely certain the scores? Are you absolutely certain the scores? We were at 28. We got the
28? Yeah, we're now trying to.
Oh, I see the thing. Yeah?
Yeah. Add the questions.
Who got this one? Did I know? Wait, did 10?
Sorry, we're like. Sorry, we have a lot of things going on right now.
Okay.
They got the penalty. They got that question.
Okay.
Who got it on? No.
Wait.
A3. You marked the player correctly, but it should be a question fired.
Okay.
And they got the bonus on that, yes.
Wait, no, it's a different one. No, it's not that one.
What is the result for 11?
11, they got it. They got both the toss-up and the bonus.
They got both, yes. 11 would have a separate.
Is your table like right here? No. What? Wait, I can't even like go in there. You don't have a big box.
Okay, let's stand up for
What?
Wait, we should make hearts at the camera.
Where's the camera?
It's there.
Not that.
Here? Like that?
Yeah, we should all like. Wait, we should all do hearts. Wait, you should throw up like a physics gang signs. We're not doing physics gang signs. No. Wait, let's all do the same time. Connor, we have to do it too.
Nah.
Why? Do you not love your parents?
I don't think they're watching. Actually, it might be.
No, yeah.
Wait, so
What do we have to do now?
2, 1.
Skip the question.
Make it hard, Connor.
Broadcast them to the coach. I was displaying this, I think. Let's just skip the beat.
So now it's on video.
Who's called at MIT?
Daniel.
He was acting like a Jack.
He was called at MIT. Wait, Connor, that's Connor. That's Connor.
I'm so bad right now. I'm gonna
What question were you showing?
I don't remember which.
Yeah, then I go off at 11. Let's go find the
Wait, I'm so mad.
We're okay?
Because
Yeah.
you didn't see me move from 11, right? No, I was always on 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, should I shut off my computer then? And I'll read from yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes
Follow
sense.
yours. Yeah.
Guys, let's sit back. University, please come back to your seats.
Yeah, the score for me right now will update it as
Is there still any disagreements with the score?
extreme low temperature. Is there any disagreements with the score so far?
Wait, 38? Wasn't it 34? Wasn't it 30? Wasn't it 34?
These chairs are actually.
No, wait, I think the score up there was wrong.
Yeah.
Because,
We got the toss up and the bonus.
Where's my pen?
did you guys get bonus for 10?
Yes.
Yeah, we got the cam.
Did you guys get bonus for 10 and 11 though?
No, wait, 10 we didn't.
Just the chemistry.
That's the chemistry one, that's 11.
Yeah, just 11. So this should be right. This is right.
But not 10.
Yeah.
So this right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, if we could settle down very quickly, please. Thank you.
Yes, that's 1 point.
All right, that concludes the break for the first half. We will now get ready to begin the second half. Before we start, though, does any team made any substitutions?
No.
No? Okay, then we'll do a very brief buzzer check. We'll just go from left to right, and you just buzz in, and I'll recognize you. B4,
Angelina. Oh.
B3, B captain, B1, A1, A captain, A3, A4. Okay. Okay. All right. Before we get started, do any teams have any questions?
No.
All right. Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Team B, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, then without further ado, we shall now begin the second half of the losers finals, starting off with toss-up 12, physics short answer. During the process of total internal reflection, what type of non-propagating electromagnetic wave interrupt B captain?
Evanescent.
What'd you say?
Evanescent?
Okay, I will accept that answer.
Nice.
You're correct. Your bonus in 12 physics is multiple choice. Which of the following quantities represents the change in Gibbs free energy per unit change in pressure of a thermodynamic system, keeping all other factors constant? W, temperature, X, entropy, Y, volume, Z, chemical potential.
Surely volume. Okay. Which one is volume? Volume
Y.
It's the only one where you're gonna say.
Volume is Y.
Okay. Y.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next toss-up is 13 math and in short answer. What expression is the antiderivative of the quantity 3x squared divided by the quantity 1 plus x to the 6th power? B captain.
1 over the quantity 1 plus x to the 4.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A1.
The arctangent of x cubed.
That is correct. Your next bonus is visual.
Oh.
This is 13 math and in short answer. Shown in the image is a plane partitioned into regions around 4 seed points such that each region is the locus closest to a particular seed point. If 3 points are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle with unit length edges and a 4th point is free to move, what is the smallest possible area of a region?
Yeah, I think you want this to be in the center. And then see what triangle. Is that just the same triangle? Wait, what's the area of equilateral triangles? 7 and 1. Is that it, probably? Because you just moved that to the middle.
Okay, oh, sure.
Root 3 over 4.
That is correct.
Oh, nice color.
Next up is a toss-up in 14 biology, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following 4 factors cannot accommodate an A-form helix? W, helicase, X, primase, Y, polymerase 3, or Z, sliding clamp? B4.
Y.
That is incorrect. A3.
Primase?
That is also incorrect. The correct answer was W, helicase. Your next toss-up is 15 Earth and space in short answer. Identify all of the following 4 elements that are components of the Redfield ratio. 1, calcium. 2, phosphorus. 3, nitrogen. Interrupt B4.
2 and 3.
That is correct. Yes! Your bonus is Earth and space and short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true of Martian dichotomy. 1. Dust storms form more often in the south than the north. 2. Water ice is more common on the South Pole than the North Pole. 3. The dichotomy was caused by a massive impact near the South Pole.
Dude, I don't know what this is.
1 and 3.
Listen to Timothy. I don't know what a Martian dichotomy is.
Think about it. If it's uniform, right, then it wouldn't be more water ice.
Just go with 1 and
2. 1, 2, 3. All of them.
All.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 only. Your next toss-up is 16 energy and multiple choice. Researchers at the UC Berkeley's Vazirani group study the use of Fourier transforms to develop ultra-fast quantum computing algorithms. Which of the following quantum gates, used in many of these procedures, turn a single 0 qubit interrupt B1?
Controlled not.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss-up 16 energy, and it is multiple choice. Researchers at UC Berkeley's Vazirani group study the use of Fourier transforms to develop ultra-fast quantum computing algorithms. Which of the following quantum gates, used in many of these procedures, turn a single 0 qubit to a 1 qubit and vice versa? W, C naught, X, X, Y, H, or Z, Z? A3.
W?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was X, X. Your toss-up next is 17 chemistry and multiple choice. Which of the following carbonyls contain the most electrophilic carbon? W, formamide. X, acetic anhydride. Y, ethyl acetate. Interrupt B, Captain.
Z.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss-up 17, chemistry, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following carbonyls contain the most electrophilic carbon? W, formamide. X, acetic anhydride. Y, ethyl acetate. Or Z, acetone? A, Captain.
X.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next bonus is visual.
Ooh.
17 chemistry, and this is short answer. Shown in the image is the transition metal complex uranocene. Answer the following 2 questions about uranocene. 1. If the charge of each ligand is -2, identify all of the following 3 statements that are true of each ligand. 1. They are aromatic. 2. They bond to uranium throughout all 8 carbon atoms. 3. They exhibit 8-fold symmetry. 2. What 6d orbitals interact most strongly with the p orbitals on the ligands?
Okay, 6d z squared. Why is 3 false, you think? That they're not.
Wait, I look because they're double bonds, but also if it's aromatic,
No, it's aromatic.
Okay.
Okay.
So 1 is 1, 2, and 3, and then let's say 2 is 6d z squared.
Okay, sure.
The x squared.
5 seconds.
1 is 1, 2, and 3, and 2 is 6d x squared minus y squared.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 all, 2 6d z squared. Your toss-up next is 18 physics and short answer. In Brownian motion, the standard deviation of a particle's displacement is proportional to what power of time interrupt B, Captain?
1/2.
That is correct. Nice. Your bonus is visual. It's 18 physics and short answer. The diagram shown depicts 2 waves on a string with the same amplitude and frequency, but different phases. What is the amplitude of the resulting wave when these 2 waves interfere to 2 significant figures?
What's the period? Sorry, what's the wavelength?
0.5.
0.5.
Okay.
So
it's 1/6 of a cycle, so they're off by 1/6. So it's going to be square root 3 times 2, I think. So what is square root 3 times 2? 3.4, I think.
3.4. No, but yeah,
Wait,
square root 3. No, but square root 3 over 2.
Yeah, it's 2 significant figures. So, yeah. 3.4.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 3.5.
Oh, shit.
If we can watch our language, please. Your next toss-up is 19 math and short answer. What is the limit as x approaches 0 of the quantity 1 plus 3x raised to the power of the quantity 1 over x? B, Captain.
E cubed.
That is correct. Nice. Your bonus is math and multiple choice. 3 players take turns naming distinct positive factors of 12. Each factor can be said at most once, and no player may name a number that is a multiple of any factor already named. The player who is forced to say 1 loses. The player who spoke immediately before wins, and the next player after ties. If players prefer winning over tying over losing and play optimally, which of the following statements does not accurately describe the game? W. If the first player says 6, the second player wins. X. If the first player says 12, the first player loses. Y. The numbers 2 and 3 are both said. Or Z. No player takes more than one turn.
I have no clue.
Which is not true. Yeah, which is not true.
False.
Seems like Y is not true.
Okay.
No, not yet. Y.
5 seconds.
Y.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was W. If the first player says 6, the second player wins. Your next toss-up is 20 in biology, and its short answer. One form of congenital eye disease is an autosomal recessive disorder. If all of the great-great-great-grandparents are heterozygous and the rest of the generations are unknown, what is the probability that the child will have the disease? B. Captain.
1/2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A3.
1/16.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1/4. Your next toss-up is 21 and Earth and Space, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following is the best estimate of the minimum temperature in Kelvin required in stars to overcome the Coulomb barrier? W. 10 to the 4th power. X. 10 to the 8th power. Y. 10 to the 16th power. Interrupt B1.
X.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next bonus is visual. This is 21 Earth and Space, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is a vertical temperature gradient of a lake throughout the year, with red corresponding to a higher increase in temperature as depth increases. Answer the following 2 questions regarding this lake. 1. Which hemisphere is this lake located in? 2. Which of the following adjectives best describes the mixing pattern of this lake? W. Warm monomictic. X. Cold monomictic. Y. Dimictic. Or Z. Meromictic.
Yo, I have no clue.
One is north, I think.
So wait, yeah, north, and then a Z sounds more familiar
No,
than
but
the other two.
it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be diamond. It should be monomictic because it only has one thing.
Okay,
So
then go with
W
sure.
or X.
I don't know.
Go
with
X.
X.
Okay, so what was 1?
Northern hemisphere. 2 is X.
Okay. 1 is northern hemisphere, 2 is X.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1. Northern hemisphere. 2. W. Warm monomictic. Your next toss-up is 22 in chemistry, and it is short answer. What is the name of the effect where adjacent signals appear to lean towards one another in NMR spectroscopy, being a second-order effect in strongly coupled spin systems? B. Captain.
Spin quadrupole anomaly.
That is incorrect. A. Captain.
Nuclear Overhauser effect.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was roof effect. This is the final question. Toss-up 23, and it is physics, and in short answer. In statistical mechanics, what dimensionless function encodes the statistical properties of a system in equilibrium and serves as a generating interrupt? B. Captain.
Partition function.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is visual.
Oh my
This
god.
is physics and short answer. The diagram shown depicts an infinite ladder of resistors, where each new rung features resistors that are double the resistances of the resistors in the rung below it. What is the equivalent resistance across the 2 nodes indicated A and B in ohms?
This is the quadratic.
-1. So what's this quadratic? 2 r minus 1 and then r plus 1? No.
Wait, what is this?
1, 2, no.
5 seconds.
3 plus square root 17 all over 4.
That is correct. No!
And with that, we have a final. May I have everyone's attention, please? May I have everyone's attention? And with that, we have a final score of Team A 64, Team B 66. Do both teams agree with the score? Do both teams agree with this score? Okay.
All right, and that concludes our loser finals. Thank you, everyone.
We forgot to play Connect 4.
We'll play one half with Blue.
Okay.
Let's see how the bio goes.
Is everyone situated?
I feel you would know the
Okay.
The plunges.
The breakers.
Welcome back to the 2025 Berkeley Science Bowl. This is now the finals, aka round 13. Before we get started, I'm going to do a very quick buzzer check. I will go from left and right, and I will buzz in, and I will recognize you, and just state your name, please. B4.
Angelina.
B3.
Priya.
B Captain.
Theodore.
B1.
Timothy.
A1.
Yajir.
A Captain.
Alexander.
A3.
Lucas.
A4.
Julian. Sorry, what was A3's name?
My name is Lucas.
Lucas? Cool.
A4, could you repeat your name, please?
Julian.
Thank you all. We are going to begin momentarily, but before this, do we have any questions? Team A, are you ready? Team 3, or Team A, can I have your A3 placard up? Placards. Thank you.
Oh, you have it.
All right, sorry about that. Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Team B, are you ready?
Yes.
Then in that case, we will now begin the finals round, starting off with toss-ups 1, math, and short answer. 2 non-overlapping triangles are inscribed in a unit circle. What is the maximum possible sum of their areas? A4.
Root 3 over 2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. B1.
1/2.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was 2. Your next toss-up is in biology, and it is short answer. Mutations performed by an apobec enzyme can result in acidity being converted into what nucleoside through deamination? B4.
Inosine.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A1.
Guanosine.
I am sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was uridine. Your next toss-up is 3 Earth in space and multiple choice. At a given time, Mars' north pole is tilted towards the sun. Which of the following best identifies which pole experiences a stronger polar vortex and the direction the vortex rotates in, respectively? W. North pole, cyclonic. X. North pole, anticyclonic. Y. South pole, cyclonic. Or Z. South pole, anticyclonic. B3.
W.
That is incorrect. A Captain.
X.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was Y. Your next toss-up is 4 energy and short answer. Researchers at Berkeley Lab use deep neural networks to analyze massive physics datasets, requiring them to update millions of parameters during training. What rule from count interrupt B1?
Chain rule.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is energy and also short answer. Researchers at the Kiesling lab are studying the activity of enzymes, which involve purifying the proteins through zinc-immobilized metal affinity chromatography, or IMAC. IMAC usually involves tagging the proteins with what amino acid?
Histidine, I think? Oh,
Okay,
fuck.
we-
Maybe it's copper. It's histidine.
It didn't. Wait,
Something in my...
wait, but it didn't say it.
It's zinc. Go with histidine.
Yeah.
Histidine.
That is correct.
Yes.
Your toss-up next is 5 chemistry and short answer. Which theoretical framework describes how reorganization, energy, and driving force determine the rate of outer sphere electron transfer reactions? A3.
Marcus theory?
That is correct. Your bonus is chemistry and also short answer. A solution of the Schrödinger equation for the helium atom can be approximated by ignoring the electrostatic repulsion between the 2 electrons. Identify all of the following 3 quantities which differ from reality in this approximation. 1. First ionization energy. 2. Second ionization energy. 3. Average electron-electron distance.
1 and 3? Yeah.
Yeah,
I think 1 and 3. Yeah. Hopefully.
1 and 3.
Are you confident?
I'm pretty sure.
I think so.
1 and 3.
That is correct. Your next toss-up is 6 and physics. It is in multiple choice. Which of the following is the closest to the temperature in Kelvin at which the electromagnetic and weak interactions would merge? W, 10 to the 4th power. X, 10 to the 8th power. Why? 10 to the 16th interrupt B captain.
Z.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss-up 6 physics multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the temperature in Kelvin at which the electromagnetic and weak interactions would merge? W, 10 to the 4th power. X, 10 to the 8th power. Y, 10 to the 16th power. Or Z, 10 to the 32nd power. A3.
Y?
That is correct. Your bonus is visual. This is 6 physics and short answer. Shown in the diagram is a graph of an ideal Brayton cycle, the basis behind many gas turbines today, which involves the 4 steps shown. Answer the following 3 questions about this cycle. 1. Identify all of the following 3 changes that would increase the efficiency of this engine. 1. Increasing the ratio of the pressures. 2. Increasing the ratio of the temperatures. 3. Using a working fluid with a higher adiabatic index. 2. Which point corresponds to the highest temperature of the working fluid? 3. During which segment is heat added to the working fluid?
Okay.
3 is B to C, right? 2 is C because it should lose heat from C to D a bit.
Yeah.
So
and 3 is C to D. Okay. So 2
no,
is
3 is
C.
B to C because it's where it gains heat. So it gains heat from C. So
Definitely 2, right?
yeah, definitely.
What, yeah.
1 and 2.
1.
Yeah, 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2, C and B to C.
Okay. 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 is 1 and 2. 2 is C and 3 is B to C.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 all, 2 C, 3 B to C. Your next toss-up is 7 and math, and it is short answer. A Hermitian matrix is a matrix whose conjugate transpose is equal to itself. How many independent real parameters are required to specify a 2x2 Hermitian matrix? B captain.
4.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is visual.
Oh.
7 math, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is the Ulam spiral, which is obtained by writing the positive integers in a spiral pattern and shading in the prime numbers. Answer the following 2 questions about the Ulam spiral. 1. How many pairs of orthogonally adjacent cells are shaded in the Ulam spiral? 2. Every diagonal in the Ulam spiral corresponds to a quadratic polynomial. What is the leading coefficient of all such polynomials?
This is like a horror movie.
2. 1 is 1, 2 is 2.
Okay. Wait, it's gonna go from like x squared to x squared plus 4x. So yeah. Wait, so wait, yeah, 2. Yeah.
1 is 1, 2 is 2.
1 is 1, 2 is 2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 is 2 and 2 is 4.
What the?
Your next toss-up is 8 in biology, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following proteins is responsible for electron transfer from the cytochrome B6F complex directly to photosystem 1? W, phycocyanin. X, plastoquinone. Y, plastocyanin. Or Z, phylloquinone. B4.
Y?
That is correct.
Yes.
Your bonus is biology and short answer. What structure of a land plant cell will form the scaffolding of the cell plate during cytokinesis?
Phragmoplast.
Phragmoplast?
Phragmoplast.
Phragmoplast.
That is correct. Your next toss-up is 9 Earth in space, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following reasons best explains why primary productivity is relatively low in tropical regions of the open ocean? W. High surface temperatures limit the growth rate of phytoplankton. X. Intense solar heating creates a strong thermocline that limits nutrient mixing. Y. High rates of respiration by consumers reduce net productivity. Or Z. Oxygen depletion and interrupt a captain.
X.
That is correct. Your bonus is 9 Earth in space and also short answer. A moon orbits a planet with a perihelion of 20 AU and an aphelion of 30 AU. The planet has a second moon that has the same perihelion distance, but an aphelion that is twice as large. By what factor is the eccentricity of the second moon greater than that of the first?
No, it's hard.
No. The first one is 5 over 20. The first one's 1/5. Second one is
What do you mean first one?
5 seconds.
4. 8/5.
8/5.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 2.5. Your next toss-up is 10 energy, and it is multiple choice. Researchers at the Yildiz lab are using single-molecule biophysics techniques to study various biomechanical processes. In optical tweezers, a dielectric particle is trapped at the focus of a laser beam due to the gradient force. Which of the following best explains the origin of this gradient force? W. The particle absorbs photons, causing a net radiation pressure towards the focus. Interrupt, B Captain.
W.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss up 10 energy, and it is multiple choice. Researchers at the Yildiz lab are using single-molecule biophysics techniques to study various biomechanical processes. In optical tweezers, a dielectric particle is trapped at the focus of a laser beam due to the gradient force. Which of the following best explains the origin of this gradient force? W. The particle absorbs photons, causing a net radiation pressure towards the focus. X. The particle refracts light rays, resulting in a net force towards regions of higher intensity. Y. The particle emits photons isotropically, creating a recoil towards the beam axis. Or Z. The electric field of the laser induces a magnetic dipole moment, which aligns with the field gradient. A3.
X.
That is correct. Your bonus is energy and short answer. The Chen group at UC Berkeley uses frequency combs for chemical detection. In a frequency comb experiment, Owen measures the width of an electronic absorption peak of high pressure, low temperature methane gas with a detector that is not saturated. Rank the following 3 factors in order of increasing direct relevance for predicting the measured peak width. 1. Pressure. 2. Temperature. 3. Laser intensity.
What the heck?
Increasing?
I have no clue.
3, 1, 2?
Yeah, that's also my guess.
3, 1, 2. Yeah.
What do you think?
I was saying 1, 3, 2.
Because the temperature should
I'm
be
in green, yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Sure. 1, 2.
5 seconds.
1, 3, 2.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 3, 2, 1. Your next toss-up is 11 chemistry and short answer. Rank the following 3 substituents in order of increasing A value. 1. Methyl. 2. Methoxy. 3. Cyclohexyl. B Captain.
1, 2, 3.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. A1.
1, 3, 2.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was 2, 1, 3. Your next toss-up is 12 physics and short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true of an ideal gas undergoing an adiabatic compression. 1. The average velocity of the gas molecules increases. 2. A reversible adiabatic compression does less work than an irreversible adiabatic compression. 3. The specific heat capacity decreases. A3.
1 only.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. B Captain.
1 and 3.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer was 1 and 2. Your next toss-up is 13 math and multiple choice. An ant traverses every vertex of a tetrahedron exactly once along its edges and returns to its starting vertex. If every vertex is considered distinct, which of the following is the number of total distinct sequences of vertices the ant could traverse? W, 6, X, 12, Y, 24, or Z, 48? B Captain.
6.
That is incorrect. A4.
Y?
That is correct. Your bonus is in math and short answer. What is the sum as I ranges from 1 to 45 of the quantity 46 minus I multiplied by the quantity 2I minus 1?
I don't know.
Oh, do you have to expand?
Five seconds.
Give me a number. Dude. Give me
4.
4.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 31,395.
Close. Dude. Close.
This is the final question for the half. Toss-up 14 biology and is multiple choice. A scientist is seeking to create a strain of mice without an adaptive immune system by blocking CD4 T cells. Which of the following genes should they knock out? W, MHC1, X, MHC2, interrupt B4.
X?
That is correct. Your bonus is visual.
Oh, what the fuck?
This is 14 biology and short answer. Shown in the image above is a series of graphs that are an aggregate of the fluorescent light signals taken about various immune cells under unique conditions. Answer the following 2 questions about this image. 1. What instrument was responsible for generating this data? 2. What quadrant on the graph is most illustrative of T regulatory activity?
Okay, 1 is flow cytometer, 2 is I don't know, C. Guess.
Flow cytometer and C.
Yeah.
Okay. Flow cytometer and C.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1, flow cytometer, and 2 was A.
That is the end of the first half. Team A 38, Team B 36. We will now have a 1-minute break.
Wait, the bio got easier, guys. The bio is doable now.
All right.
I'm not gonna sit on the bio anymore.
Everyone, can we please remain silent for one?
We have elected to skip the break in the interest of time. Please make any substitutions if interested.
University, do you intend to make any switches?
All right, they won't have something.
We're going to start the round very quickly due to time constraints.
I think if we see
one more paper,
we can do this. Like,
We're leading. We're leading by so much. We've got a massive lead over
stay
them.
calm and we can do this.
Can we get more paper?
Thank you.
We've got a huge lead. We'll be fine.
Can we get some paper?
Can we get more paper? Can we get more paper?
I'm having fun. Even if we lose, I don't know. Even if we lose, we beat Novo. We beat Novo in the tournament. We can make our flight if we lose.
Oh wait, where do we need to be there? Like in like.
I know.
And it takes an hour to get there.
Okay, just stay calm.
Like in that scenario, I'll give Theodore 1v4.
Okay, everyone, may I have your attention, please?
Stay calm. We can do it.
Due to time constraints, we will be mitigating the half timer, and we're going to go directly into the second half. Has both teams made any substitutions?
No.
Okay, then we will also skip the buzzer checks due to time. Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Then in that case, we will now begin the second half of the finals, starting off with toss-up 15, Earth and Space short answer. Blazars can appear to be hundreds of times more luminous than other active galactic nuclei with similar intrinsic luminosity. What phenomenon explains this effect? B, Captain.
Synchrotron radiation.
That is incorrect. A3.
Redshift.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was relativistic beaming. Your next toss-up is 16 energy and it is multiple choice. Researchers at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab are investigating quasi-crystals, which are solids with ordered atomic arrangements that lack translational periodicity. These can be modeled with aperiodic tilings, such as like Penrose tiling, which show order without repetition. Which of the following rotational orders is forbidden in periodic crystals but observed in quasi-crystals? W3, X4, Y5, interrupt A3.
Y.
That is correct. Your bonus is visual.
What the hell?
It is 16 energy and short answer. Scientists in the Yagi group have synthesized MOF-808, a zirconium-based metal organic framework that can capture carbon dioxide. Answer the following two questions about this MOF. 1. At high humidity, MOF-808 absorbs CO2 with much greater affinity, which is due to the formation of what chemical species at the reactive amine sites? W. Amide, X. Carbamate, Y. Bicarbonate, or Z. Imine. 2. What is the name of the spectroscopic technique used to identify this species, which relies on measuring how local magnetic fields around nuclei are distorted by surrounding electron clouds?
Wait, is 2 NMR?
1 is W?
Is 2 just NMR?
I guess.
Yeah,
And
I think
do you have
we're.
a better
I think
idea?
2 is NMR.
Okay, I was like working on the first one. I
Okay.
think I was thinking on C for the first one.
Yeah,
Z?
me too.
Yeah.
Z?
Yeah.
Two?
And
What
then-
do you think for 2?
We can go on.
Whatever.
Do you have a better idea?
Okay. Nope.
No, yeah.
So 1 is Z, 2 is NMR.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 is Z, 2 is NMR.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1, Y, 2, NMR. Your next toss-up, 17, is in chemistry and it is multiple choice. Which of the following causes cyclobutadiene to adopt a non-square geometry? W. Jahn-Teller distortion. X. Diaxial strain. Interrupt, B, Captain.
W?
That is correct.
Yes.
Your bonus is visual. This is chemistry and short answer. Depicted in the above images are two forms of the molecule ammonia, which can be observed to interconvert, as well as molecule containing a nitrogen with an analogous geometry to ammonia. Answer the following two questions regarding the image. What is the general name of the process by which molecules interconvert between the two forms shown? 2. Quantum tunneling greatly accelerates the rate of this isomerization in ammonia. Identify all of the following four factors that contribute to the speed of quantum tunneling in ammonia. 1. The NH bond is short. 2. Nitrogen is relatively light. 3. Hydrogen is relatively light.
Wait, you said four things. Wait, didn't you say four things? So, wait, hydrogen is relatively light. Yes, nitrogen is not relatively light. What is one?
And each one is short.
Nah. No.
Okay, so one is inversion, two is three.
Okay. One is inversion, two is three only.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 pyramidal inversion, and 2 is 1 and 3. You need to specify. Your next toss-up is 18 physics, and it is multiple choice. 9 1-ohm resistors are evenly spaced around a circle. The nodes between each resistor are labeled 1 through 9 going clockwise. Between which of the following pairs of nodes is the equivalent resistance the highest? W, 1 and 2. Interrupt, B captain.
W.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question. Toss-up physics multiple choice. 9 1-ohm resistors are evenly spaced around a circle. The nodes between each resistor are labeled 1 through 9 going clockwise. Between which of the following pairs of nodes is the equivalent resistance the highest? W, 1 and 2, X, 1 and 3, Y, 1 and 4, or Z, 1 and 5. A4.
Z.
That is correct. Your bonus is physics and short answer. A series RLC circuit consists of a 4 microfarad capacitor, 2 millihenry inductor, and 10 ohm resistor. What is the ratio of the energy stored in the inductor to that in the capacitor at the instant when the current in the circuit reaches its maximum value?
I don't know how to do this.
5 seconds.
It's giving 5,000.
25.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 5. Your next toss-up is 19 math and short answer. What is the total derivative of the function f of x comma y equals xy squared with respect to a parameter t, where x of t equals 3t and y of t equals t squared, evaluated at t equals 1? A4.
4.
That is incorrect. B captain.
15.
That is correct. Nice. Your bonus is math and short answer. Let A be a 10 by 10 matrix that includes every integer from 1 to 100 inclusive exactly once. What is the minimum rank of A?
0. Wait, are you sure? Think.
No,
wait,
it's not 0.
1?
No, it's not 0.
Wait, 2, because like you have one row of like 1 through 10, and then I think is that what rank is?
Rank is like rank 0.
5 seconds.
2.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your next toss-up is 20 in biology, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following is false about the advantages of using a restriction enzyme that cuts outside of its restriction site, called a type 2S restriction enzyme, to insert a target gene into a plasmid rather than a classic type 2 restriction enzyme? W. Digestion and ligation can be done in a single reaction with type 2S restriction enzyme, but not with type 2 restriction enzyme. X. Type 2S restriction enzymes are incapable of producing scars at cutting sites, while type 2 restriction enzymes can. Y. Type 2S restriction enzymes can create non-palindromic sticky ends, while type 2 restriction enzymes cannot. Or Z. Using a type 2S restriction enzyme ensures directionality of the insert, but not when using a type 2 restriction enzyme. B4.
W.
That is incorrect. A4.
X.
That is correct.
Yay.
Your bonus is biology, and it is short answer. Given that none of the catalytic triad's amino acids are termini, what is the absolute value of the difference between the number of nitrogens and the number of oxygens found in the catalytic triad amino acids within chemotrypsin?
What?
Chymotrypsin.
2.
Sure.
Seems reasonable. But do you like? Are you sure? Do you have any? Do you think you got it better?
5 seconds.
2. I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was 1. Your next toss-up is 21, Earth and Space, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why comets were likely not the source of liquid water on Earth? W. Comets do not contain enough water to have formed Earth's oceans. X. Impact heating would interrupt a captain.
W.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question. This toss-up, Earth and Space, and multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why comets were likely not the source of liquid water on Earth? W. Comets do not contain enough water to have formed Earth's oceans. X. Impact heating would vaporize comet-delivered water. Y. Hydrogen loss from early Earth would erase any cometary signature. Z. Water in comets is far more rich in deuterium than water on Earth. B1.
X.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was Z.
Our iPad is dead.
Yeah. Okay. We are currently going through some technical difficulties. Please remain with us.
Wait, you?
Carry on.
Yadra, did you like my bio vibes?
I was going
Wait, you said like I don't think you.
Well, he will.
To myself, I didn't even.
You got this?
No, see, your knowledge about bio is more fallible than my logic that is always X. It is simply always X.
Okay, no, listen. Okay, Saquon. I don't think there'll be another VSS, but I can try to do it for you. Okay, Saquon.
All right. If I may have your attention, please.
It was plugged in like yeah. We don't have any more visual, so it's fine.
Oh, you don't? Yeah. Visual no, we'll get this, yeah.
Oh, but it doesn't matter.
But we need time.
Yeah. Okay.
But we need another time. We need a clock.
We're sorry for the interruption, but there will be no more visual bonuses for your information. For the remainder of the round. Yes. Are both teams ready to continue?
I'm not ready.
We can't see the clock either.
Are we serious?
Lucas, don't go to sleep like their computer did.
Yes, I know. Oh, yay.
I'll score.
It's back. It's gone again.
Yeah, there's gonna be a physics.
Hollow Knight soap sign? Okay, please.
There's gonna be a physics one, and cheater's gonna buzz on the third word.
Yes.
Yeah, because if we.
Do you guys see the score sheet now?
No, we see a very good video game though.
We do, but we see the score sheet, but it looks like your timer got reset.
Oh.
Who whistling that?
Lock in.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry for this stupid blazer.
I gotta stop second guessing myself. Yeah. Some of these I'm like, I know them. Okay.
What was the answer?
Undue confidence. I need confidence in
It
that
was
man.
the.
Wait, I swear for the offside close you to
That's okay.
No,
Okay, we see a bunch of Steam apps now.
Excessive amount.
You also see Roblox player.
Let me see, hold on. Outer Wild
Wait, no, it was
Base,
10.
Stellaris, Viridian.
Please, if I could have both teams remain quiet, please. Thank you.
Do you guys see settings?
Yes.
Settings?
Yes.
No.
No, aren't
They.
they?
Wait, we don't.
Our flight.
Wait, we have to leave now to make it go.
No, we can go a little bit later, but like we need to go soon. So out of this round we go.
Yeah, after this round we just have to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you guys see?
We see Silk Song.
Peter, are you ready to 1v1 maybe?
What?
Are you ready to 1v4?
Wait, yeah, you can run
That's not background.
You got most of our PPG.
Yeah.
Do you know any bio anymore?
Just make a guess.
Yeah, I know.
His turn.
Last time we had a delay, we won
Oh,
against
there we
each
go.
game.
Never mind.
your number.
You have to press.
Guys, can we
Wait,
just
you
not
press like
cancel? We need to go.
Yeah, we like need to make this fly.
Guys, it's okay. We don't need the iPads. We need to go home.
What if we just wait on that? No.
Wait, if we like order the Ubers like right now.
Do you guys see it?
Yes, we do.
If we order the Ubers now.
Like, then immediately after this game we go.
Well, you went before.
I mean, if we wait.
What?
If we wait.
No way. Are you
If
sure
not,
you're
we'll
wait?
take it forward and screw it.
Okay, well then good bet. That's what we should do here.
We're down by 4 points. Down by 4 points.
Wait, boarding starts in 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
But is security
Oh, wait, guys, can we please just rush this? We have a flight to catch.
Yes.
Oh,
Bias, you see it?
Wait, we
Do not Who uses the do not disturb button?
What the hell, Theodore?
Quiet. Wait, Mr. Brennan,
Where's the
physically order the Ubers now?
I have to. Can you tell someone else again? I don't know.
Wait, get like Toby or Steph.
Toby.
I think Chen Yu already has to progress.
I hate these chairs.
For 5, you have 5 people.
No. Mr. Bright is like 1 of 6 and 1 of 4.
Is that Cinnamon round? Okay, do you know what time you're at? I did not catch that. Estimate?
Chen Yu!
Tyler, we still have probably. You want to give him 2 minutes?
2 minutes?
2 minutes is enough.
DE?
We're on 20. We're on 21 minutes.
Pinman till round 9. Round 9?
Yeah.
No, sorry, round 8.
Okay, thank you, Jesus.
There are no more.
No more VBs. No more
We only
VBs.
have 2 more, like 3 more questions left.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Due to time constraints, I will now begin reading the questions. Are both teams ready?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Time is wrong.
It's okay. Next toss-up is 22 chemistry short answer.
Reset.
What is the point group of IF5? B, Captain.
S4.
That is incorrect. A3.
C3V.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer was C for V. This is the final question. Your toss-up is 23 physics and short answer. A consequence of Pauli's exclusion principle is that at low temperatures, near absolute zero, the sea of electrons that can be found in a metal cannot all be in the same energy states. This means that all possible energy levels below what energy will be interrupt A3?
Fermi level.
That is correct. Your bonus is in physics and short answer. Thomas is standing in the back of a pickup truck traveling at velocity v. He wishes to throw the ball in the same direction as the car's motion at speed v such that it will have the greatest horizontal range in relation to the point at which the ball was thrown. In degrees, what angle relative to the horizontal would provide the greatest such range?
Just do this.
It should be
Fine.
so, right?
Like 90?
It's given 60, I think.
Yeah, I'm thinking 60,
Yeah,
but
alright,
do you
sure.
think 90?
It's probably
5 seconds.
So,
60? Is that final?
yes. Yes.
That is correct.
And with that, we have a final score of Team A 68, Team B 58. Do both teams agree on the score?
Can we take a picture of you like right now?
Wait, guys. We have to catch a flight.
Take one photo and then
It's doing 6.
we don't have to.
It's not just.
Are we good to go? Okay. Okay, thank you all for attending our 2025 Berkeley Science Bowl. It was a lot of fun, and here are awards. Huh? Oh. Wait, let's just do awards. MSG needs to leave. Go to awards. Okay, here's the real slideshow. Here's some pictures from today. At the end of the tournament, we'll send out a feedback form. If you fill it out, we'll give you the link to the Google Photos. Yeah. Okay, so as usual, we do category MVPs for round robin. So students who had the highest PBG and round robin in a specific category are awarded a medal. First up, we have our biology MVP. Can Tanash come to the stage? Okay. Wait. He left? Okay. We'll give you his medal though. Yeah. Okay. Next up is chemistry. And we had Richard from Archbishop Midi. Yeah, come down from there. Take a photo with the banner. Okay, and next up we have our MVP for Earth and Space, Alexander Weaver from Davidson. And next up we have our MVP in energy, Richard again.
Yes, he did.
Where's the second one? You should be wearing both. You should be wearing both. Where's the second one with that picture? Okay. And next up, we have our MVP in math, Rohan. Wait. Not here? Okay. We'll just, yeah. Okay. And I think finally our MVP in physics, we have Fedor. Next up, we have our finals MVP. This goes to the player that played the best on the winning team. And it is, wait, what? Oh, okay. Our finals MVP is Suzuko. Congratulations. Oh. Okay. Okay. And, oh. And next up, awards for our Swiss stage playing teams. In third place, we had Saratoga High School B. In second place, we had Doherty Valley High School A. Please come on your left. And first place in our Swiss stage bracket, we have North Hollywood High School B. Congratulations. Okay, and now for our overall awards. In third place, we had North Hollywood High School A. Congratulations.
Wait, you can take, if you want to stick around, you can take more photos.
In second place, we had University High School. They already received their trophy, so we'll be moving on. And in first place, we had the Davidson Academy of Nevada.
Hello?
Tap it again. Tap it again. I just want to mute that.
This is start talking. I'm so bad.
includes awards for Berkeley Science Bowl. To end off BSB, I would like to thank our sponsors. First, Jane Street for always supporting us, free t-shirts, and making this tournament possible. Omobia for supporting us for 2 years and making our tournament possible in buying buzzers and making sure you guys have a great lunch. And finally, a huge thank you to our other sponsors, National Science Bowl, the ACS local sections, Semi-Freddy's, the College of Chemistry, and our university. And thank you to our volunteers. Without them, this tournament would not have been possible. And finally, thank you all for coming. Thank your coaches, thank your parents, thank your teachers for bringing you all here and making it possible for you guys to enjoy Science Bowl. We'll see you next year.